everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with Uzalo. The new season of Uzalo promised the viewers new faces which we don't know how long they will stay as nazi and ukuthi Uzalo kuyaphekwa kuyathululwa. Kulawo ma actors guys kukhona no Omuhle Gela who will join as Vika's sister Nomaswazi. Sbonelo will fall in love with Nomaswazi, unaware that she's related to a new gangster Vika who's trying to steal the Mhlongo Empire from Kunzi to become the top gangster in Kwamashu. Sbonelo asked Nomaswazi or will ask Nomaswazi out on a date and they will meet at the restaurant later on, and that will be the last anyone sees of Sbonelo. He's lured into a sinister plan and his mom Kapsile fears for his life when he doesn't return home. Kapsile guys will badges into Kunzi's office and insisted that something is wrong with Sbonelo. It's not like him to vanish and they need to find him. Nkunzi guys know his son all too well, and when they investigate CCTV footage from Sbonelo and Nomaswazi's date, they are in shock. They see her spiking Sbonelo's drink. Nkunzi recall meeting with this young lady about her business, but when he and Kapsile searches for it online, they discover that it does not exist. Being the gangster that he is, Nkunzi has his fingers in many pies, and he reaches out to a contact at the police station to find a mystery woman. Nkunzi the guys pays over a lot of money and he expects results. This is his son after all. Well guys, while the search is on, Sbonelo is unconscious and wounded, and guys, Sbonelo have been shot and his captors won't allow him to get medical attention. But guys, Nomaswazi will help him and she will fall in love with Sbonelo for real. She knows that she can't betray Vika, so she will risk her life by getting medical attention to treat Sbonelo and keep him alive. To Sbonelo, this is a gesture of love, and Nomaswazi is putting her life on the line to save Sbonelo. He can understand that and he connects with Nomaswazi. But time is running out, and whether Nkunzi gets the intel he's paid for in time remains to be seen. So guys, that's how Nomaswazi will join Uzalo. Hope you enjoy the storyline. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.